हेलो एवरीवन, आपका स्वागत है विजन आईएएस प्रिलिमिनरी टेस्ट सीरीज 3 के पार्ट 2 में। इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस। द क्रेडिट ऑफ दिस वीडियो गोज टू विजन आईएएस। हेलो गाइस, in the last video we have discussed question number up to 33, and now in this video we will discuss from question number 34. The question is, which of the following vertebrates first originated in course of geological time scale? The correct answer of question number 34 is B, fish. The next question number 35. Consider the following page regarding festival recently seen in news. Raja Parva, West Bengal; Thirasur Puram, Kerala; Ambubachi Mela in Assam. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? The correct answer of question number 35 is B, 2 and 3. Raja Parva of Odisha is one of the most popular festival of state. It is dedicated to Bhuma Devi. The consort of Lord Vishnu. Raja Parva celebrates womanhood and it happens in the month of June. Thirasur Puram is an annual Hindu festival held in Kerala. Ambubachi Mela or festival marks the annual menstruation of presiding goddess of Kamakhya Devi, Temple, Guwahati, Assam. The next question is question number 36. Consider the following rivers: Tapi, Mahi, Damodar. Which of the rivers given above flow through Rift Valley? The correct answer of question number 36 is C, 1, 2 and 3. Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Damodar are the rivers flow in Rift Valley. Hence option C is correct. The next question is question number 37. In the context of the peninsular plateau, consider the following statement. The general elevation of the peninsular plateau is from the west to east. The plateau is divided of crustal faults and fractures. Shillong and Karbi Anglong Plateau are the extension of the peninsular plateau. Which of the given statements above are correct? The correct answer of question number 37 is D, 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 38. Which of the following are the aims of National Forest Policy 1988? Bringing 33% of the geographical area under forest cover, reduction of floods and droughts, creating people's movement to encourage the planting of trees. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 38 is D, 1, 2 and 3. The next question is question number 39. Consider the following statement regarding the solar system. All the planets have more than one natural satellite. All the planets rotate on their own axis in the west to east direction. Saturn is the only planet to have the ring system around itself. The correct answer of question number 39 is D. All are wrong. The next question is 40. With reference to the State Food Safety Index, to rank the states of India on the safety of food was released in this context. Consider the following statement. It is an index released by the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, FSSAI. States are adjudged on the parameters of compliance as well as consumer empowerment. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 40 is C, both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 41. Consider the following statement regarding the earthquake. All the natural earthquakes take place in the lithosphere. The point where the energy is released is called the epicenter. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 41 is A. 1 only. All the natural earthquakes take place in the lithosphere. The point where energy is released is called the focus of earthquake. Alternatively, it is called hypocenter. The energy waves traveling in different directions reach the surface. Next question is question number 42. Consider the following statement regarding the newly launched PM Swanidhi scheme for the street vendors. It aims to facilitate interest-free loans to street vendors for resuming their livelihood activities after easing of lockdown. No collateral security is required to avail the loan. It is launched by the Ministry of Finance. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 42 is C. 2 only. No collateral security is required to avail the loan. The next question is question number 43. Which of the following are not a major tectonic plate? Antarctica plate, Cocos plate, Arabian plate, South American plate. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 43 is B. 2 and 3 only. Antarctica are the surrounding oceanic plate and South American plate. This western Atlantic floor separated from North American plate along the Caribbean island. Cocos plate between Central America and Pacific plate. Arabian plate is mostly the Saudi Arabian plate. Because of this reason, this is not a major tectonic plate. The next question is question number 44. Why people do not sink in the Dead Sea? The presence of marine animals in the sea. The low temperature in the Dead Sea makes humans more buoyant. The high salt concentration in the Dead Sea increases the density of the water. The depth of thermocline is located near the surface of the Dead Sea. The correct answer of question number 44 is C. The high salt concentration in the Dead Sea increases the density of the water. That's why people not sink in Dead Sea. The next question is question number 45. With respect to montane forest, consider the following statement. In this forest, evergreen broadleaf trees such as oaks and chestnuts are generally found. Animals found in these forests have thick hair. In India, these forests cover the southern slopes of the Himalayas and northeast India. The correct answer of question number 45 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All options are correct. The next question is question number 46. Rattans or lions are the common types of vegetation found in which of the following climatic region of the world? The correct answer of question number 46 is D. Equatorial regions. High temperatures, abundant rainfall. In the hot and wet equatorial regions, support a mix of luxuriant type of vegetation, the tropical rainforest. The next question is question number 47. In the context of extratropical cyclone in the northern hemisphere, consider the following statement. They are found along the front. They can originate over both land and sea. They move from east to west. The correct answer of question number 47 is A. 1 and 2 only. The next question is question number 48. Which of the following submarine features are of volcanic origin? Submarine canyon, seamount, mid-oceanic ridges. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 48 is C. 2 and 3 only. Seamount. It is a mountain with pointed summits rising from the sea floor that does not reach the surface of the ocean. Seamounts are volcanic in origin and mid-oceanic ridges. It is formed by plate tectonics. The next question is question number 49. Consider the following statement in the context of duars. They are the alluvial flood plains in the outer foothills of the northern eastern Himalayas. The duars have thick soil cover with high organic content suitable for tea cultivation. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 49 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 50. With reference to twilight, consider the following statement. It occurs when Earth receives diffused or reflected light from the sun even while it is still below the horizon. Equatorial regions witness shorter twilight than those at higher latitudes. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 50 is C. Both 1 and 2. Twilight. Twilight is the time between day and night where there is light outside but the sun is below the horizon. Equatorial and tropical regions tend to have shorter twilights than location on higher latitudes. The next question is question number 51. Which of the following statements correctly describes the term river regime? It is the dividing area between two rivers. It is the pattern of flow of water in a river channel over a year. It is raised land formed by a river near its bank due to deposition of sediments. It refers to the origination of source of a river. The correct answer of question number 51 is B. The pattern of flow of water in a river channel over a year is known as regime. River regime. The next question is question number 52. Recently, the Lonar Lake in Maharashtra underwent a change in its color to pink. Which of the following regions can be changed in color by ascribed to toxin released by a crab species, increase in the pollution level due to industrial effluents carried by rivers, chemical reaction occurring due to meteor dust falling into the lake, changes in the behavior of algae. The correct answer of question number 52 is D. There are algae in the water body. The salinity and algae can be responsible for this change in color. The next question is question number 53. The G7 is a forum of the 7 developed countries which are among the world's largest economies. Which of the following countries are a part of this forum? Options are India, France, Japan, China, Canada. The correct answer of question number 53 is B. 2, 3 and 5 only. 2, 3 and 5 only. France, Japan and Canada. India and China are not part of this forum. And other G7 countries are France, Germany, Italy, Japan, US, UK and Canada. The next question is question number 54. The movement of ocean currents is influenced by. The correct answer of question number 54 is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Movement of planetary wind, the salinity of the ocean, Earth's rotation, land mass distribution, gravity. The next question is question number 55. Consider the following statement with respect to temperature distribution in the oceans. The highest surface oceanic temperature recorded at the equator. The temperature decreases at a uniform rate with increasing oceanic depth. The oceans in the north hemisphere record relatively higher temperatures than in the southern hemisphere. The correct answer of question number 55 is A. 3 only. The ocean in the northern hemisphere record relatively higher temperature than in the southern hemisphere. The next question is question number 56. Consider the following statements. The longitudinal extent between the eastern and the western side of India is about 30 degrees. The north-south latitudinal extent of India is greater than its west longitudinal extent. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 56 is C. Both 1 and 2. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is roughly 30 degrees, whereas the actual distance measured from north to south extremely is 3214 km, and from east to west is 2933 km. Hence, both statements 1 and 2 are correct. The next question is question number 57. Consider the following statement with respect to ocean currents. West coasts of the continents in the middle latitudes are bordered by cold currents leading to an arid climate. The Coriolis force causes the water to move to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. The correct answer of question number 57 is B. 2 only. The Coriolis force caused the water to move to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. The next question is question number 58. With reference to the recently launched Indian Gas Exchange, consider the following statements. It is the first nationwide online delivery-based gas trading platform in India. It will facilitate market-driven price determination of gas in India. It has been incorporated by National Commodity and Derivative Exchange. The correct answer of question number 58 is A. 1 and 2 only. Indian Gas Exchange, the first nationwide online delivery based gas trading platform, was recently launched by the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. And statement third is not correct, because IGX Indian Gas Exchange platform is incorporated by IEX, not by National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange. The full form IEX is Indian Energy Exchange. The next question is question number 59. The biennial. What is biennial? Biennial is a summit which happen once in twice a year. The biennial environmental performance index report is published by The correct answer of question number 59 is B. Yale University and Columbia University in collaboration with World Economic Forum. This index has been developed by Yale University and Columbia University in collaboration with the World Economic Forum and the Joint Research Center of European Commission. The next question is question number 60. Known to be the land of rolling mountains, the region is accompanied by the formation of four land basins, valley-like depressions, which run parallel to the mountains. These depressions are accumulated vastly with soft and consolidated deposits forming a molasses basin. Which Indian state is being described in the above passage? The correct answer of question number 60 is D. Mizoram. Mizoram is known as the land of rolling mountains. Land of rolling mountains as it has huge number of mountains. The formation of most mountains is accompanied by the formation of four land basins. In simple terms, valley type depression which run parallel to mountains. The next question is question number 61. Which of the following conditions is responsible for the formation of China type of climate? Intense heating in the continental interiors of Asia in summers, the steep pressure gradient between the cold interiors of Mongolia and Siberia, and the warmer Pacific coastline in winters. The correct answer of question number 61 is C, both 1 and 2. The China type of climate is also called the temperate, monsoon climate. The next question is question number 62. The next question is question number 62. Which of the following statement correctly describes agroforestry? The correct answer of question number 62 is D. Raising of trees and agricultural crops on the same land inclusive of the waste patches. The next question is question number 63. These are smooth oval-shaped ridge-like depositional features composed mainly of glacial till with some masses of gravel and sand. One end of them facing the glacier, called the Stoss end, is blunter and steeper than the other end, called the tail. They give an indication of the direction of the glacier movement. Which of the following landform is described in the passage given below? The correct answer of question number 63 is drumlins. Drumlins are depositional landforms of glaciation. These are smooth, oval-shaped ridge-like features composed mainly of glacial till with some masses of gravel and sand. The next question is question number 64. Consider the following statement. The Western Ghats are comparatively higher in elevation to the Eastern Ghats. The Western Ghats are less continuous than the Eastern Ghats. The average height of the Western Ghats increases from north to south. The correct option of question number 64 is C, 1 and 3 only. Their average elevation is about 1500 meters with the height increasing from north to south. Hence statement 3 is correct, and the Western Ghats are comparatively higher in elevation. The next question is question number 65. With reference to the western coastal plains, which of the following statements is correct? They are spread out in 5 Indian states. They are broader in the middle and get narrower towards north and south. The Malabar stretch of the western coastal plains has backwaters called Kayas. The correct answer of question number 65 is B, 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 66 is, and the last question of this video. Recently, India was elected as a non-permanent member of UN Security Council (UNSC). Which of the following countries were elected along with India? Ireland, Mexico, Canada, Norway. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 66 is B. 1, 2, 4 only. Ireland, Mexico and Norway. Recently India was elected as non-permanent member of UNSC with an overwhelming majority. It is a 2-year term, will begin on 1 Jan 2021 along with India, Ireland, Mexico, Norway were also elected to the council. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much guys.